Kia ora tato, no mai haere mai, and welcome to this video tutorial working through how you can use clips to create and share learning. This is one of my favourite apps and is fantastic to integrate any learning across the curriculum. Let's jump in and check it out. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've got access to clips on your iPad. To do this, swipe down from the middle, search for clips, and then tap on clips to open. If you don't have access to this, it can simply be downloaded from the App Store for free. Once we're in, you can see I've got a project open that I've been working on. This is a fantastic project to use to build students' digital fluency, teaching them core skills that they can use in clips to create and share their learning. Building this digital fluency and working through this process gives them confidence of how they can use the different tools, whether it's adding animated stickers, editing their clips, duplicating, rearranging, or adding soundtracks. This is a fantastic workflow to ensure they really have these skills embedded and are confident so they can apply it to any learning. This could be used with juniors or seniors, whether it's just simply counting through numbers or learning to skip count and consolidating learning, or whether it's for seniors teaching their buddy class how to skip count or a new skill they might be learning, some number knowledge, maybe a language, maybe a game, or retelling a story. There are endless opportunities. Check out the integrated book within the links of the blog post for some more ideas as well. Let's check out the project and see what it looks like. Who knew skip counting could be so exciting? Let's have a go at creating our own. Come up here to the corner and you'll see the white square. From here you tap on the plus and this will create your new project. Once you're in your new project, down the bottom you'll see it's a new project because there's no clips and I've got all my tools up the side here that I can start to use. We're looking for this picture here with the icon of the mountains. This takes us to the camera roll where we can pull through animations from Keynote, we can pull through drawings from Sketches School, photos or videos, and loads of different content to explore. Today we're just going to start with posters and use the posters to create and build layers, adding animations and text. So you're going to tap on the mountains, you're going to choose posters. From here we can see we've got basic posters, and as we scroll through, they're in different categories with really cool animations. Let's choose an exciting one to start with. Tap on the one that you want, tap on the text, and from here you can use dictation or simply type in your title. I'm going to type in skip counting, and then tap on the keyboard to hide that and come up to your record icon here. Your record bar you can hold down or swipe across. By doing this, it will record the clip and it will save it down the bottom. This is a really important thing to teach children when they're learning to record and add work to their clips projects. It will also record my voice or any audio in the background, so if I wanted to read my title, now would be the time to do that. I'm not going to today, I'm just going to record. And from here you can see the clock that's counting up and my stop button when I'm ready to stop. When I press stop, there's my clip down the bottom. If I tap on this, I can see all of these features here to explore. I could add effects, mute, delete, trim, split, duplicate, or save my clip to the camera roll. I'm going to mute this because I don't want my talking. I just want it to play as an animation like this. If yours is too long or too short, you might like to come into trim, and in trim you can actually extend or make your clip shorter. So you've got those options to explore, preview, and then hit trim when you're happy with it. Now we've completed that first process. We've got our poster, we've recorded our first clip. We need to start to add our stickers and another poster. Let's come up to done and let's go across back to the mountains and back into posters. Repeating these steps builds on digital fluency and helps form those pathways so students are really confident when they're using these apps to create their learning. I'd highly suggest doing this process with something they're already confident in. It can be very tricky trying to learn how to skip count and learn how to use a new app at the same time. Let's go and choose a gradient. Tap on the text and go to our numbers. We'll start with the number 2, hide the keyboard, and to make it a bit exciting, come over to the star. This is our effects. From here, you can choose to use the emoji. These are just plain stickers and they won't move, they'll just be stuck there. Or this one here, the stickers, these are all animated and add a bit of excitement and movement to your project. I'm going to come through and use the rocket. I tap and tap again. If I tap too many times or I add the wrong sticker, what I can do is tap and press delete and tap and press delete. And then when I'm finished with this menu, I can press the cross. I can move these and adjust them so they're good and positioned how I want them. And once I'm ready, I press record. So following that same process, 2 to 3 seconds should be fine. And again, I press stop, and down the bottom there, I come in and I mute my clip. If I need to, I can trim or extend it and I can play it back. Coming up to done, I'd continue to repeat the same workflow. Mountains, posters, choose my poster, tap, choose the next number, come up to my star, and this time I'd find 4 stickers. So this time I could go with 4 balloons. Again, I can tap and manipulate and move so they fit and sit where I want them. And once I'm ready, swipe across to record and press stop when I'm finished. Now I'm starting to build my movie. It's simply a case of repeating these steps. If I want to have an exciting poster at the end, I could come in and duplicate the same one by pressing duplicate. And another cool feature is moving the clip, so I can hold and drag to change the order. So I have my start poster, my skip counting posters, and then I could come into this last one and edit what it says. Great work. And then I've got my movie ready to go. Once we're ready, we want to make sure all of those clips are muted, so I need to mute this one as well. And then I'm going to come up to the soundtrack. The soundtracks are fantastic as I can pull from GarageBand, or I can choose the pre-loaded soundtracks here. There are so many to choose from in different categories. I'm going to go with Better Than Chocolate today. I can see the tick there and press back, and from here I can press play and watch my project, or press done. Once I've finished my project, I can play it back, and if I'm happy with it, I can come to my share arrow where it's ready to share. From here I could airdrop it, or I could save the video to the camera roll. There are so many fantastic ways for you to build fluency using clips and to integrate it to support learning. I can't wait to see the different ways you use this with your tamariki and children for learning. Thanks for watching.